everyone, my name is Aliyah. Today we're making Granita and I'm with my ate and Nana's gonna teach us.
So what are the ingredients?
Water, strawberry flavor, relator, and 2 lemons and squeezer for the lemons and cake pan for mixing.
And for chocolate,
Give some energy, ate.
chocolate flavor, cocoa, and sugar.
Sugar. Okay.
Now let's start.
Let's start. So, to start with, we're going to squeeze the lemons. Okay. Show it to them.
So hard.
Okay. Roll it hard so that when you cut it, all of the juices will be squeezed. Okay, and then the other one. Okay, and you, young girl, you're going to start squeezing. Ate will help you how. You try to squeeze. Ate, teach her how. Go.
Just squeeze it.
There. Go, 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 go.
Hurry. It's my turn. Woo!
Make sure that you don't have any more juice left, ha? So that it won't be wasted.
It smells so
Okay,
good.
your turn. Yeah, you should turn it.
So
Turn,
hard.
turn.
It's so
Ate, help
hard.
her. That's nice. Okay. How about you? There you go. 2 cups. Be careful. Okay. Then more. 2 cups first. Okay. And then you put the lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah.
But how are we supposed to take out?
Ate will help you. You need to have fork here. And yeah. And then do like this. Whoops. That will trap
The seeds.
the seeds.
I'm just gonna make later the chocolate
Okay.
one.
And what you need to put for some kind of a color and also a flavor is the strawberry. Okay.
It smells so good.
Wait.
Smell it.
Yeah.
Can you just smell it?
Wait. You're gonna need. Okay. 1 cup of that.
1 cup of spoon.
Yeah. From the
No,
cup.
no, and the spoon.
It's okay from the cup.
No, I want the
Oh.
spoon.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
Yeah. Okay. Be careful. Okay. That's 1/2 teaspoon, and then mix it all
No.
first. You have to
This
mix
one.
it.
This one. It's gonna be lovely.
Alright. And then
Whoa,
you should
I see
add sugar.
It's like purple.
Sugar, ate. Sugar, please. This one for about 1/8 cup first.
We're gonna put this on the freezer later for 5 hours. That's gonna take too long.
Okay. Just first with 1/8. Okay, go. And then mix
I'll
it
put
all
it.
up. Mix, mix, mix.
This is like salt.
Ate, you can start with your
Woo!
chocolate granita. For the chocolate granita, what are you going to do, ate? You need what? You need 2 cups of water.
Like bags.
Yeah, 2 cups. Mix it all up, baby, so
Yeah, I
that
know.
all the sugar will be this one for the cocoa powder.
I need to be careful to mix it. Oh yeah.
Level it, level. That's it.
Oh, like that.
Okay.
Then put it.
Aliyah, how about your lemon strawberry granita? Okay, and then mix it all up, ate.
Mix it.
Mix, mix. So all of the cocoa powder will be dissolved. It's better if you're going to have it in hot water. But what we use is just warm water or not a cold one. Okay.
You can use warm water.
Yeah. So How's it going here?
It's good.
More.
Okay.
So that
Can I taste yours, ate?
later. Okay. You finish mixing that up. And then sugar here. Okay, mix.
I make it different than ate's.
Okay, mix. And then, did you put sugar already there, ate?
How is
Not
supposed
yet?
to mix faster?
Just 1/8 first. So let's calculate like this. Okay, go.
How am I supposed to mix it faster?
Just mix.
That is so tastes so good when I taste it.
1/2 teaspoon first, ate, of the chocolate flavoring. And then,
Heavy.
ate, you taste that chocolate na.
I want to taste it. I want to taste it.
Yeah, mix it. Mix.
And I want to taste it.
Later, ate will taste it first.
Okay. Let's see if you like it.
And 1/2 teaspoon of another flavoring. Okay, Aliyah, how about yours? Is it finished? Did you mix it all up?
Oh no. Not yet. Then
That's so nice. Look. Good, right? It tastes so good. Okay, ate. Okay, mix it all up. And I think that's done. Mix it, baby. Is it fun to make granita?
Yes, because it's gonna be in the freezer and it's gonna be
Freezer for
ready
1 hour first.
for 1 hour.
And then you're going to use fork to scrape, right?
Yeah.
To make it like ice shapes, right?
Yeah, it's ice.
And
I
then
buy some ice before, just like this.
that's a shaved ice.
Yeah,
Okay,
shaved
and
ice.
then after an hour again, you're going to use a fork and then scrape it all up, right? And then another 1 hour and then scrape it until it becomes
Frozen.
crushed ice.
Crushed ice. So
Yeah.
just wait. We just need to put it in the freezer.
You say bye-bye to your viewers first.
Bye.
Bye, ate. You say bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye. I really hope you enjoy our show. Please remember to subscribe our channel and click the like button. See you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.